Method, didactic, and pedagogy for teaching English. Method for teaching English. Grammar translation method. This technique primarily focuses on grammar and translation skill. Direct method. Teacher and student use English exclusively in class with new material demonstration, prolonged actions, or pictures. Natural focus. As a student acquires knowledge on the language intuitively and through experience. Audiolingual method. This method theorizes that language acquisition occurs through habit and repetition, with speech as its focus. The method emphasizes oral exercise and the imitation of said phrases as well as pronunciation. Cognitive approach to academic language learning. The cognitive approach to academic language learning incorporates the development of English, the area of instruction, and the explicit teaching of learning strategies. Total physics response. The total physics response method uses command and action performance to rapidly integrate new language material through kinesthetic learning. Suggestopedia. Suggestopedia uses natural and inviting media and sensory inputs such as colors, images, and specialty music, with emphasis on active participation. Didactics. Didactic is the way how to teach, since here are different aesthetics, different methodologies. The dialogue is a very useful and requires in the process of the foreign language. The dramatization. It is one of the oral language activities in the when action and represented generals in dialogue. Dictation. It consists of the teacher speaking slowly while the student takes notes out at his side. Reading exercises are of great value in the English language as they serve to learn to write without misspelling and to practice practical grammatical structure. Songs. The songs in English are very useful to learn new words and expressions, to improve speaking and listening. Games. Didactic games contribute to creating a positive atmosphere in the classroom and provide reinforcement of grammatical and lexical structure. Teamwork. Teamwork consists of a group of people working for a common goal, sharing perception, agreeing with work procedure, cooperating with each other, accepting a community. Technology didactic resource. A teaching resource is any material that has been prepared with the intention of facilitating the teacher role and that of student. Pedagogy. Pedagogy is the seed knowledge that seeks to have an impact on the educational process as well as on the understanding and organization of culture and on construction of subject. Didactics of the English language. Yurley Yesenia Cruz Villamizar, CAU, El Doncello. Gracias.